What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Next step, everyone, time to put on those false eyelashes. I love Duo Lash Glue. It goes on as a white color and dries clear, so you know when your glue is dry and you can see the placement of it a little bit better, and it will stay on throughout performances, through wind and inclement weather. Check it out, Duo Lash Glue. I cut the ends off of it because a lot of times they come too long and they don't fit your face. So trim it. I'll start with the left eye. I'll remove the old glue from the night before and just taking a thin layer. I also love this product because I can control how much of it is coming out, and I'll use the applicator to evenly distribute it. I'll take the excess off on my pinky. This helps the glue dry. And I like to place it along that angled eyeliner that we did earlier, not directly on the lashes, but angled upwards. As it's drying, you can make minor corrections. Hold it there for 10 seconds. And there you have it. One dramatic eyelash versus one non-dramatic human lash. You be the judge.